Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to make Snow White's body scrub. But before that, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now so you won't get to miss out on any of my upcoming videos. So let's get started. In making the scrub, you'll need turmeric powder, which helps in fading dark spots, scars, eczema. It protects the skin from sun damage, it lightens and glows the skin. Yokospar milk salt is enriched with vitamin E. It lightens the skin, smoothens the skin, and it evens out the skin complexion. Brown sugar helps in exfoliating dead cells from the outer skin. It hydrates and moisturizes the skin. It keeps the skin soft and glowy. It also helps in fading scars and it lightens the skin. You need white licorice powder, which reduces skin irritation and redness. It lightens the skin and reduces age spots. You need alum powder. Alum powder tightens the skin. It helps in getting rid of wrinkles and it removes excess oils from the skin. So the next ingredient you'll be needing is fresh lemon juice, which lightens the skin, reduces premature aging, fades dark spots, and it removes excess oils on the skin. You'll need skin-free milk, which you all know is a strong whitening serum. You'll need white now triple action oil. White now triple action oil is infused with beta-carotene. It contains vitamin E, fruit acids, and natural plant extracts to help fade out skin imperfections. It hydrates and whitens the skin. You will need Tower Snow White powder. You can use any other Snow White powder, but it should be 50 grams. You need kojic acid powder, which is a lightening powder. It also helps in fading scars and hyperpigmentation. You need honey, which moisturizes the skin. It helps in preventing wrinkles, it treats acne and loss smoke. You need lavender oil, which lightens the skin. It fades dark spots and acne, it reduces redness and it prevents wrinkles. Lastly, you will need preservatives. So firstly, in a clean bowl, I'm putting 3 tablespoons of Yokospar milk salt, next I'm putting 1 cup of brown sugar, after which I'm putting 3 tablespoons of alum powder, I'm now putting 1 tablespoon of white licorice powder, then I'm putting 1 tablespoon of kojic acid powder, next I'm putting 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, after which I'm putting 1 tower snow white powder, then I'll mix. So after mixing, I'm putting 3 tablespoons of honey, next I'm putting 1 tablespoon of skim-free milk, after which I'm putting 1 tablespoon of whitening oil, I'm now putting 3 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, next I'm putting 1 tablespoon of lavender oil, then I'll mix properly. Lastly, I'm putting 1.2 ml of preservatives, then I'll mix. So guys, this is what our Snow White body scrub looks like. I'm just going to transfer this into a clean cup. And here it says I got about 500 ml of the scrub. If you notice, I didn't add any fragrance. This scrub smells very nice on its own. This is a strong whitening scrub. It is good for all skin types and it will help your whitening or your Snow White cream work faster. You can use this on your dark knuckles, your elbow, your knee, your thighs, and even your armpits. This scrub is not harsh on the skin, so it is good for sensitive skin. But if you feel like you have a tough skin, you can decide to use white sugar in place of the brown sugar, or you can use only the sparse salt in making this scrub. You use this Snow White body scrub the same way you use your other scrubs. You first wet the areas you want to scrub with water before scrubbing. You can use this about 3 times a week. This Snow White body scrub won't only boost the whitening effects of your cream, it will also whiten your skin. So if you want to achieve a clear blended white skin, you should try out this scrub. This is all for today guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you found it helpful. If you liked it, do give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and also help this channel grow by clicking on the subscribe button below. And when you do, don't forget to click on the notification bell icon beside it to get notified when next I upload a new video. That's way you won't get to miss out on any of my upcoming videos. See you all in my next video. Bye.